Welcome to this Windows channel, and I'm issuing kind of a little update security warning to everybody that's watching that has a router plugged in. So, of course, some of you might be directly connected to your modem, which means that doesn't apply to you. But if you're using a wireless router or a router of any kind, so it's not a super big threat because it's like 500,000 routers have been infected, which is a small number to the tens of millions of routers that are actually working right now. But it's just a big enough threat that the FBI in the United States has actually issued a little recommendation for all of us. If you use a router at home for your internet connectivity, um, you know what? Unplug it. Wait for 15, 20 seconds and plug it back to restart it. Basically, they are issuing a reboot process. So they say reboot your router. So what we've learned is that last week about 500,000 routers have been infected with a malware called Filter VPN. It's a malware that was actually exploiting a flaw within your router, and basically could, in some cases, basically run this little malware that, it's kind of a botnet attack. It can attack the web, it can attack and just do pretty much steal all the data that you are actually, sending and receiving from your router. So a simple reboot apparently is enough. If you want to go a little further, why not reset it and reprogram your network, your home network and wireless network at the same time? That's an even more drastic measure, but you really make sure. But apparently, just a reboot is enough. And finally, if you know your way around your router, or if you don't and have somebody that knows, maybe somebody set it up for you, for example. Well, inside most routers, there's something that is a remote access capability. I always disable remote access or make sure that it is disabled by default. So it's a good practice to have that also being disabled. Make sure that remote access is not available from your router. So it's a simple procedure, unplug and replug just to make sure that everything is all right. And I think, just to be on the safe side, even though probably the majority of you guys watching this are probably not affected, why not do it? You know what? I did it just, I kind of just looked at my routers and, it takes a few seconds and you're safe afterwards. So why not, take the time to unplug and replug your router. So just a safe measure for anyone out there to make sure that you're not infected with this malware. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.